In this video I will show you how to use your Smartband 8. I will show you how to charge it, how to use all the menus, how to do everything on it, as well as how to turn it on and off. So this is Smartband 8. Okay, so the way you charge it is with this cable, and for best results it's actually the best to take it out of this case. You have to use quite a lot of force to put it in and out. Don't be afraid to use. It's quite a cheap watch, so that's what it is. So, and if you don't take it out of the case, this charger isn't very good at all. It's very weak. The magnet in it is very weak. So if you attach it, it barely holds, and you have to double check it several times that it's on, otherwise it just falls off. It's a terrible product. So the best way to charge it is take it out of the case. Even if you don't really have to take it out of the case, it's best to take it and lay it like that and attach it and let it charge and don't move it. Anyway, the first time you get this watch, there's really no way to turn it on, and the way you turn it on is by simply connecting your charger and charging it up. Also, you need to wait at least an hour before you start using it, as this watch takes a long time to charge up, at least several hours. And the way you power it off, you go to your menu where it says more, long press it, then cycle to almost the end where it says this, and long press, and to turn off. The way you use it, you thought maybe it has a touchscreen. However, it doesn't have a touchscreen, and the way you control it is with this small button at the end. You either press it once or press it two. Okay, so when you press it once, you can just cycle through the menus and several options. Okay, and if you want to select this menu, simply hold it. Sometimes you have to hold it twice. Also, these heart rate measurements are completely fake. As you see, the light works and it looks like it has a real sensor. However, as you see, it provides completely fake random data, and they really can't afford to put in a real heart rate tracking in these cheap watches. So this is completely fake watch in every way, basically. Okay, so if you want to change this watch face, you can go to settings and do it from there. So also, if you go to the main screen of watch face, let me show again, and simply hold, you can change these hours from 12 to 24. Let's see. You see, the hours change. Okay, and if you want to access the menus, you have to go to the more, and here you can also access additional apps such as remote or your camera, and you can search your phone and stuff like that, and change the theme here as well, and control music here as well. And if you want to learn how to set it up with your phone and pair it with your phone and download the app, make sure you check out my other videos. I have 5 more videos about this watch, a complete review, how to use, as this video is, also the accuracy test of the step counter and the instruction test. So if you want to pair it with the phone, make sure you check out my other video on this watch. Again, if you are thinking about purchasing this watch, it costs around $2. I actually paid a bit less than $2 for it, and even if it costs $2, I can't really suggest this watch, as it's complete garbage basically, and it's completely fake in most ways. It's only really good for telling time and date, and maybe using the camera remote, and that's it. It's terrible watch. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!